Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can add a result slide to Articulate Storyline 360, which types of result slides there are, which features are hidden on result slides like quiz timers, a review functionality and a retry option, which tracking options you have if you implement a result slide in your course, and how you can calculate the result of multiple result slides in your course. Hi, I'm Spermon from Untitled Learning, where I teach you how you can create e-learning modules yourself with Articulate Storyline. And are you new here? Then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Are you ready? Then let's get started. A result slide in Storyline 360 gives your learners dynamic feedback at the end of a quiz or survey. In Storyline 360, a result slide also sends reporting and tracking information to an LMS. Now let's see how you can create a result slide in Storyline 360. I have here a sample course and with different scenes. Here is all a result slide. Here I have a result slide, so let's add a result slide in this scene. So I'll double click this, so I'll go to this scene. Now I'll go to the Slides tab, and on the Slides tab here you have the results. And here you can choose for the different result slides there are in Storyline 360. You have the graded result slides, and if you add a graded result slide, Storyline automatically adds success and failure messages on your result slide with all the triggers, so you don't have to do anything manually. You have a survey result slide that creates a result slide that a user thanks for taking a survey. And you have also a blank result slide that creates a blank result slide that you can customize completely to your liking. Now you saw in my scene there is a quiz, and for convenience options I choose a graded result slide, so I don't have to add a success or failure layer myself. Now when you have made your choice, click on the Insert Slide button and you see that Storyline automatically adds the result slide to my course. If you add a result slide, Storyline automatically opens the result slide properties window. And here on the top you can select where you want to calculate the results for. For instance here for selected questions, and you can pick questions, or you can pick questions that are in a question bank, or you can select selected result slides, and that is what I want to show you later on in this video. You can set a passing score for your quiz, for instance 80% or anything else what you want. And here you can add a quiz timer. So for instance, if you say I want that my quiz ends after 10 minutes, then you can say I want that the timer will start with the first slide or with the first question, and it depends if your slide in this scene is the first slide is a question slide or it's a normal slide. And the timer for elapsed, can you say that if you want to show time or elapsed or what you have remained. So I uncheck this, I check this here and go to OK now. Now let's see which variables there are that you can use for displaying the score on your result slide. Now you see here there is a variable result1.score% and a results1 score points. Now the results1 is the variable of your result slide. I have multiple result slides in my e-learning course, so Storyline will add a number after results. So I have here results1 and also results2. Now score% will give the score in a percentage. Score points give the score in points, because you can add points to each question in Articulate Storyline. And for the passing score or for passing percent, Articulate Storyline shows here what the passing percentage is. That's 80%, and it also calculates what the passing points is what you need. Now you see here result. Where is then the result? The result is here on the success layer, and then you see congratulations you passed, or on the failure layer that you didn't pass. And if you added a graded result slide, Storyline automatically adds the triggers that say show layer success when your timeline starts if result slide points is greater than pause points, or failure layer when result slide points is less than result slide pause points. So, and if you go to the design tab of your result slide, you'll see that here are some features that you can use and insert on result slide. Now you see here there's already a review quiz button, but I can add a print button. So I select the print and I will draw my button here. And I'll go to design again, and I can also add a retry button here. Storyline automatically creates the triggers that are necessary to do it. So for retry, I can say to what slide do I want to go. So this is quiz slide 2, so I want to go to 2.1. And if you go to the review quiz slide, if you select the trigger, you can here under options select if you want to show all incorrect and correct responses, or if you want to show only the incorrect questions, you can choose off. So this on the design tab are extra features that you can add. Here you can also find timed quiz that you can also find here under edit results on the result slide properties window. So, and the last thing I want to show you in Storyline is that you can also calculate multiple result slides. So here I have a result slide, and we can imagine that this is the result slide that combines all the result slides of my whole course. So this can be the last slide of my course. So if I go here to edit result slide, if you here see calculate results and you set it on selected questions, you see the selected questions in your course. If you select result slides, you can check which result slides you want to combine here. So I'll check them both. Now, what you can say here, that a user must pass each quiz, so separately, or that you combine the points of all quizzes to an overall score, and you can set the passing score over here. And if you click OK, then you have entered your choice. So I hope you learned new things about result slides that you can use in your next e-learning course. Do you have any questions about embedding your Articulate Storyline course in WordPress, or about Articulate Storyline in Common? Then place a comment below these videos and I promise to answer it. And if you want to create great engaging e-learning in Articulate Storyline, make sure that you get my free step-by-step guide on how I create e-learning in Articulate Storyline. And I know for sure that it will help you because it describes my whole process that I use for every e-learning module in Articulate Storyline that I build. And was this video useful to you? Then hit the like button below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos.